Andreessen famously said, "Software is eating the world." That was 2011. In 2026, software has won. Every company is now a software company, and the businesses providing that software as a service companies, are printing money at margins that make traditional industries look primitive. Today, we're analyzing the 10 SaaS stocks positioned to dominate 2026. Before we dive in, understand SaaS economics. Unlike hardware or traditional software, SaaS companies collect recurring revenue. Gross margins typically exceed 75%. Customer acquisition costs are amortized over years, and the best ones achieve negative net retention, meaning existing customers spend more each year than they did initially. This creates compounding revenue growth that traditional businesses can't match. Starting with data infrastructure. Snowflake is building the Data Cloud, a platform where organizations store, share, and analyze massive data sets without worrying about underlying infrastructure. Their revenue growth has been astronomical, and they're becoming the default choice for enterprise data warehousing. With AI models requiring vast amounts of training data, Snowflake's platform becomes increasingly valuable. They're not just hosting data, they're enabling the AI revolution. MongoDB takes a different approach. They pioneered the document database model, giving developers flexibility that traditional SQL databases couldn't provide. Every modern application, from mobile apps to AI services, needs a database. MongoDB has become the default choice for developers, which creates powerful bottom-up adoption within enterprises. Palantir isn't just data infrastructure, it's data intelligence. Their platforms help organizations make sense of complex data, particularly government agencies and large enterprises. With their AI platform, they're positioning as the operating system for AI deployment in large organizations. Security is non-negotiable. CrowdStrike pioneered cloud-native endpoint security with their Falcon platform. Unlike legacy antivirus companies, CrowdStrike was built for the cloud era from day one. They protect millions of endpoints using AI to detect threats in real time. Every cyber attack in the news drives more customers to CrowdStrike. Fear is a powerful sales tool, and they're capitalizing on it. Cloudflare sits between websites and the internet, providing security, performance, and reliability. They process over 20% of all internet traffic. Their network spans the globe, making websites faster and more secure. As attacks grow more sophisticated and traffic increases, Cloudflare becomes more essential. They're building the programmable internet infrastructure layer. Datadog provides observability, monitoring every part of your digital infrastructure: logs, metrics, traces, security. One platform. As systems become more complex, observability becomes critical. You can't fix what you can't see. ServiceNow started as IT service management and evolved into the digital workflow platform for enterprises. They automate everything: HR requests, IT tickets, customer service, procurement. Every manual process is being digitized, and ServiceNow is capturing that transformation. They have over 7,000 enterprise customers, each spending millions annually. This is sticky, mission-critical software that companies can't rip out. Shopify democratized e-commerce. They turned entrepreneurship into a platform business. Over 2 million merchants use Shopify, from side hustles to billion-dollar brands. Every transaction generates revenue. Every merchant's success creates more merchants. It's a flywheel that feeds itself. And with Shop Pay and their payments infrastructure, they're building an alternative to Amazon's dominance. Figma transformed design from solo work to multiplayer collaboration. Designers, product managers, and engineers work together in real time. Adobe tried to acquire them for $20 billion. Regulators blocked it, but that bid validated Figma's position as the future of design. Every digital product you use was likely designed in Figma. They owned the design workflow. AppLovin is the dark horse. They help mobile app developers, particularly game developers, monetize through advertising and discovery. Their AI-driven ad platform is printing money. Mobile gaming is massive, and AppLovin sits in the middle of that ecosystem, taking a cut of every ad impression and install. They're less visible than other SaaS companies, but their numbers are extraordinary.
Here's why these 10 stocks matter in 2026. First, AI is driving unprecedented demand for data infrastructure. Snowflake and MongoDB benefit directly. Second, hybrid work and cloud migration continue. Security and monitoring become more critical. Third, automation and digital workflows aren't optional anymore. They're survival. Fourth, the rule of 40 still matters. SaaS companies need to show they can balance growth with profitability. These 10 have proven it. Finally, switching costs are enormous. Once you're running your business on ServiceNow or securing it with CrowdStrike, migration is nearly impossible. 10 companies, 4 categories: data, security, automation, and monetization. These aren't speculative bets, they're proven SaaS businesses with recurring revenue, high margins, and competitive moats. 2026 won't be about who has the most innovative idea, it'll be about who's already embedded in enterprise workflows. And these 10 companies are already there.